Welcome to the world of AI. Do you want to create images made from AI? Or do you want to create videos that have been completely made and designed by AI? Or you can actually write scripts like Shakespeare. AI has got you covered, my friend, and this course will teach you that. Well, creating AI videos is really simple and effective way of marketing yourself, marketing your business, or just for having fun. You can put these videos on TikTok, put these videos on Instagram, and any other social media platform of your choice. For example, I use these videos on my LinkedIn, and you can see how cool my LinkedIn looks because I am probably one of the only persons who's doing this on LinkedIn. And you can do this on all social media platforms for your own benefit. We will learn how to create AI videos from scratch, why you need to create AI videos, and why and how AI videos are the next big thing. Because we have seen movies being made from AI, we have seen music being made from AI, so why not videos? Why not we just automate the entire content creation process in video creation with AI? Why not let AI do the hard work and we do the smart work? We as human beings enjoy while AI is working on our behalf. Thank you for joining, and I'll see you in the first lecture. See you there. Bye-bye.